Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want it.
Okay. So I got mail. And when I show you what it is, you're gonna be like, Celeste, why couldn't you do that? My microwave is done too. I'm warming up lunch. So I bought these smart LED wall lamps. I could have just read it instead of trying to figure out what it was called while I'm looking right at it. So this is what it looks like. I hope that you guys can actually see that very clear. But this is the box. In my hallway, I have mirrors, so I thought this would be cute over the mirror. Oh, okay, you're here working. And they're so easy to use. They're touch, obviously, somewhere, I don't know where. Oh, and you can change the color, which I'm so excited because I can't wait to see what kind of vibe I want in my hall. But it has so many different color options that you just stick. That you just stick on the wall. That is it. You just stick it on the wall, and I guess she rotates. Let's see, press against the wall for 1 minute and please use after 24 hours. But what I am gonna do is charge all of these because they do come with a charger. That's all that's in this box. Is the manual, the light I just showed you, the cord, and the back. So I'm gonna charge these and then I'm going to come back later. We're gonna put these, I'm gonna show you guys my haul and the mirrors that I'm putting them above. And we're gonna see what this looks like. This is so exciting. So this is the current status of this grand hallway that I have. It's really small, but see, here's what happened, right? There's always a story. So I had actually ordered one of these from Wayfair and they accidentally sent me 5. Yeah, you heard right. They sent me 5. I ordered 1 and I got sent 5. So I had 4 extra that I did not know what to do. So what I did was I just put them in the hallway. Here's the other one, right around the corner. So I put this one in the hallway, this one obviously, and those 2. And this is what it looks like. I got my floors redone. It was carpet, it was this. I'm gonna get these done soon. So those I have to get installed. I have to get something else installed for this. I don't know what I want just yet. I think I do, but I haven't really settled on it just yet. But it's black as well, it's matte black. So the goal is when you look into the mirror, what you see is actually a nicer light, cause. So I do have my handy dandy measuring tape. I do. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna measure to see where the center is, cause I don't want it like super high. I want it where it's like, do this. This would be, don't quote me on this, okay? This is not, we hire people for this, which is why I did not want to do it. We normally hire people for this. But the middle is at the 8. Okay, so I have them. So if they're 4 inches up, this is what I feel. So I'm taking off the back. See that? I got more leverage. All these are up, and now we wait. We wait a good old solid 24 hours. Yeah, I can't wait to put these lights on. What I'm gonna do now, let's see. There's an app that I'm supposed to download. So I'm gonna download the app so I can show you guys, and it gives me like, from what I saw online, it gives me like a whole color wheel thing that I can choose from to see what colors I want. I more than likely will always do white, but You know, you never know for a movie what you're trying to do. So I do want to see what the colors are that they have. So, but I did want to do this in between just to kind of get this up so that my time can start and my waiting. I'm probably gonna get a laundry load now since I'm right here. Might as well fold a load of laundry and then some upstairs, and then I need to post something on 7 months. So yeah, back to work I go.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone.
Okay, so I couldn't wait 24 hours. It's technically like 4 o'clock in the morning. Y'all, I'm such a big kid. But look, this is such a vibe. Now I have to clean my mirrors, so just ignore that. And I have to also get them all in the same timer of color. But tell me that my haul is not a vibe. I'm so in love with this. Like, I feel like I'm sitting here like a child, like just staring at all the lights changing colors. It's like well lit in this area. Like you can legit see my hand. Oh, I gotta show you guys too. So this is on the color thing, right? So these are all the different colors that I can choose from. So if I want them all on one color, I can have that. Right now, I'm just letting it do what it does. But I'm gonna show you guys the white. So all you do is, oh, you can see the little light? I don't know if you can see the little light bulb right here. You tap it and it turns the light. So it's simple, and if I don't want it on here, it just comes right off and I can just use it like a little night light through my house. Not that I will do that, but but it's literally that simple. And you just put it right back up there and you can angle it however you want it. I want mine preferably. It's like a very well lit hallway. That's what it's giving. It looks like I have like a lot of doors because of these mirrors. It's really not a lot, it's just those right there. So it's simple as tap the top and tap the side. It's great. Oh. Yes, do this. Totally do this to your house. Totally do this. The link is in my bio. You guys have to do this. This is so cool. I can't wait till I like replace all my lights and stuff in here and the knobs. It's just gonna be just a vibe. Do this. Definitely do this. Okay, I'm going to bed. Good night.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me.